Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify payments with Stripe in your no-code app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your no-code app interface. Navigate to the payment settings section. Locate the Stripe integration option. Ensure that you have a Stripe account created and ready. If you don't, visit the Stripe website to sign up. Log in to your Stripe account. Find your API keys in the Stripe dashboard. Copy the publishable key. Return to your no-code app. Paste the publishable key in the designated field. Next, copy the secret key from Stripe. Go back to your no-code app. Paste the secret key in the corresponding field. Now, locate the payment verification section in your app. Choose the payment types you want to verify. Enable webhooks to handle payment events. In Stripe, find the webhooks settings. Click on Add Endpoint. Paste your no-code app's webhook URL. Select the events you want to receive notifications for. Common events include payment_intent.succeeded. Save the webhook configuration in Stripe. Copy the webhook signing secret. Return to your no-code app. Input the signing secret in the specified area. To test the integration, create a test payment in your app. Verify that the payment is reflected in both your app and your Stripe dashboard. Check the webhook logs in Stripe for any received events. Make sure there are no errors in the webhook handling. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.